Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you, as you all know. So, my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
So my people, I thank God say we will be Southeast, we will not believe for any government model. We will not believe for say government go do this one. Government go change our life. That is why we dey hustle. That is why we dey move around. That is why God dey bless us. Because if we not be say the way God dey bless us and the way God take create us, our own alamajiri for dey worse for the whole world. Because they for the kill us on top. These our Southeast governors, our Southeast leaders, I don't know whether as they block their eyes, I don't know whether they still block their brain. Go for not. You see how the governors, the politicians, they tie their road. Police brutality no dey for not. Now the leaders, now them do am. Now when you go no say Northerners leaders, they support their people. Now when any problem come for North, you go see their leaders, they go come out. No matter say that they slave them, no matter say that they eat them, then you go see the Northern leaders, they go come out to speak for them. When I see this insecurity where they happen for North, any day where they divide Nigeria, if they divide Nigeria today, if you see any insecurity again for North, you know say no be, you know say na lie. Because this insecurity where they happen for North, they use and they play politics. And the politics where they use and they play, no be only Northerners it affect the whole Nigeria. That is why they use and they play politics. That is why they support the insecurity. Because now they benefit well from that insecurity. If they divide Nigeria today, if you hear anything like insecurity for North, if you hear anything like police brutality for North, you don't say a lie. Because the Northern leaders, no matter say that they slave their people, they speak for them. Go for North, you go see a lot of road, they tie am. Some places for North, they get light. Things is there cheap. A lot of things is there cheap for North. Now their leaders is they do am. No matter say that they eat their money. A lot of things for North today cheap. But now the same country where we dey. And our own leaders, they answer, sir. They know they speak for us. They know they do anything for us. Go for Southeast. Every road, a lot of road don't spoil. A lot of road don't spoil. Insecurity day. They kill people every day. And the leaders know they talk. The leaders know they do anything. And tomorrow you go tell me, say, make I come out. I go to worship them. Because it never happened to you. If it don't happen to you, if you don't love somebody where you love, we no plan to die today, tomorrow, and they take a money away, then you go see those people where they cause those things. Those people where don't give you confidence. Those people where they maltreat you anyhow. Then you go see them, you go to worship them. Now so they preach for you. Now so they preach for you. Say your papa we no do well, you go to worship him. Say your papa when they see where they beat you go they drink kai, you go to worship him. Now so they teach you. If we not be say the way God they bless us will be sat easy. Our own alamajiri na bomb. Because they're gonna kill us on top of the alamajiri, and the government they don't go talk. The people where will say they be our leaders, they not go they talk. And the see person where they talk where be say see person where they talk for our own benefit, for our own good life. They gather make plan, go set them up, go arrest them. Person where they speak for us, person where they cry for us, then still make plan. Set them up, arrest them, carry and put inside prison. Nigerian government, I don't know what you now they wait. Time we don't reach one, I go release Nnamdi Kanu. Because Nnamdi Kanu no do anything. If una prison, they need people. If una prison, dey empty. Make una go Sambisa forest. People wey dey there, they deserve to go inside prison. Or make una go inside bush. Fulani herdsmen dey inside bush. Boko Haram terrorists dey inside for Sambisa forest. Where they disturb una, they need to go inside. Time don reach, make una release Nnamdi. Nnamdi don spend 1 year and 3 months. Time don reach, una go release am. Now so it be oh. They are the verse itself. I don't know. These people just they make person the verse up and down, up and down. You go wake up like this, you go see one kind, you go the verse. Oh my God. Now so it be oh.
Come to think of it, for instance, someone asked you and said, yo, what is the offense of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? What has Mazi Nnamdi Kanu done for him to be kidnapped, treated this way? What will be your response? People are doing things that is worst these days. Look at what is happening in Abuja and other parts of the country. The federal government up to this very moment, they've not caught one person as a proof to show to Nigerians that this is the evidence, this is the person they have caught doing this. No. Just Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, just mere words that he is saying that because you are maltreating my people, Pharaoh let my people go. And it has turned to error. It has turned to offense. Keeping him there without nothing. What will be your benefit? Now these people, they are aware that of a truth in few months time, Muhammadu Buhari will be leaving office. So what they are doing right now, trying their best to protect him. They just want the eyes of Nigerians to be off the ball. They just want the eyes of Nigeria to be off from Muhammadu Buhari and his cabal, so that people will say, oh, they warned us before that this is going to happen to them. That is just the scenario that is playing. If you don't know, they are trying to confuse your brain. They are trying to use you for you to forget that Muhammadu Buhari has committed crime against humanity. You see, this is just what they are trying to do. So my wonderful family, that is why we are here to bring the news, to tell the world that they should listen to the voice of the people. They should listen to the cry of the people. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has committed no offense. They should release him and let him go. They should release him and let him be a free man. So my community people, this is the message that I brought for you. Please do well to like the video, share and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you very much. For me to you, from here I said bye.